G'day, I'm Cameron from All 4x4 Spares. Today we have a brand new 200 series Landcruiser in for a Lovells GVM upgrade. As it comes from Toyota, the vehicle behind me has a GVM of 3.3 tonne. Once the Lovells GVM upgrade is complete, that will be brought up to 3.8 tonne, and in case you're wondering, the towing capacity will remain at 3.5 tonne. Before we even started installing the GVM Upgrade Kit, we've thrown it on our in-house weighbridge. The vehicle has come up at 2.8 tonne. So that sort of gives you an idea of what a 200 series weighs in the real world without any accessories. And in case you're wondering, it had a quarter of a tank of fuel. So with that 2.8 tonne figure, keep that in mind when calculating your vehicle's GVM. If you're not sure about calculating your vehicle's GVM, you can bring it to us, we can throw it on the weighbridge and we can give you a figure. The Lovells GVM Upgrade Kit is going to consist of the Lovells heavy duty coil springs. They're backed by a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty. We've also got the Gas Legend shock absorbers, which are backed by a 3-year 70,000 kilometre warranty. The kit is going to lift the vehicle around 50mm over standard height. In short, the GVM Upgrade Kit is going to have everything we need to raise the vehicle's GVM and its height legally and safely, and we can do it all here in our specialist workshop. Okay, so here it is, the GVM upgrade process is complete. This 200 series now has a GVM of 3.8 tonne, meaning that he can load it up with accessories and passengers and anything he sees fit. Now, if you've got any questions about the GVM upgrade process, feel free to give our team here a call or email and we'll walk you through the process. Thanks for watching.